Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to start sowing seeds. It will be my first seed sowing for 2022. Yeah, I said that really weird. But anyway, I am going to start sowing seeds today. I'm sowing pansy seeds. I'm sowing 2 different kinds. These are seeds that I bought last year, and I did sow some last year. So I'm going to sow some more today.
I'm talking weird. It's weird.
Anyway, let's press on. So let me show you the seeds that I'm going to be starting. So I'm starting these 2 sets of seeds. This one is Pansy Swiss Giant, and this is Pansy Clear Crystal Black. And one of the things that is noted on the seed packet is that they germinate better in darkness. So I'm going to make sure that I keep it dark. I'm going to put them on a heat mat and then put them in my new grow light system. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, that's it. The pansies have been planted. I'll keep them in darkness just like this, and then every day I'll check to see the dryness level of the soil, and then I'll just pour in more water into the tray, bottom watering, making sure that the water does soak up to the top of the soil, and that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below, and then I'll try to include all of the planting details in the description. Thank you guys. Bye.